Hey guys, so I'm here in Primark in Blanchardstown. I'm about to do a Primark 10-minute dash, so I'm going to run around the store, see what I can get, and hopefully I can get everything I want in 10 minutes. I usually spend an hour in here, so 10 minutes is going to be a bit of a challenge, but I have my phone and I'm going to start my timer. Are we ready? Here we go. Go! Let's go! I like these reductions. My strategy is I'm going to throw everything into the basket and then just hopefully decide at the end. We've only got 5 minutes left. I have to get to the homeware section as well. So I have a fair idea of the stock in pennies because I'm always doing Primark hauls. So I think I'm done with downstairs for the moment. I'm going to head upstairs. I've only got 3 minutes left. Let's go. in my life? Maybe. Look at this Super Mario. And some of you I know are a fan of Jojo Bows. This is a Jojo blanket, only €8. Amazing. How many minutes do I have left? Oh, I can't see. 1 minute, 1 minute, 20 seconds. I'm obsessed with this. Aladdin, I love the Aladdin range in at the moment. I think that's all we have time for to get to the till. What else? For any of you who love my bunting, it's reduced to only €1 in here at the moment. So if you're a Harry Potter fan, then you can get your Harry Potter stuff reduced. I love all the Mickey stuff. We've got 45 seconds. Do I need anything else? Ah! Let me see. What do I need? What do I need? What do I want? Oh, they've Mario bedding as well. Oh my god. Okay, so, oh, look at this. I get far too distracted. It's like a towel in the shape of a skull. How cool is that? Oh, aren't they so pretty? Maybe I will just finish with some Mickey Mouse cutlery. How cute is this? You get 12 in the pack and it's only €5. Okay. I've got 12 seconds left. I'm heading to the till. I think I've finished my 10-minute Primark dash. I think I did really well. I've got a full basket. Woo, here we go. Let's go to the till. 10 minutes. It's up. Let's go. I am back home and I wanted to talk you through exactly what I got in my Primark 10-minute dash. I had so much fun running around Pennies and really picking up anything I saw, and then when I got to the till I decided exactly what I wanted to buy. So I wanted to talk you through what I got. You may not recognise my surroundings. I'm in the sunroom in my house because my room is being done up at the moment. You may have seen on my Insta stories I said that I will be doing a room tour and a kind of before and after of my room really soon. That'll be coming up on the channel because my room has been done up, so there's loads of paint in there at the moment and everything's a bit messy, so I just thought I'd come in here and talk you guys through my haul and exactly what I got. So I'm going to start with my favourite item of the haul because why not? I'll just get straight to it. And it is this amazing Aladdin round beach towel. I'm obsessed with the round beach towels. I love the way Primark have so many of them in at the moment. So big, and you can kind of just spread your stuff out, have a little picnic. This would be great as well for the park as well if you wanted to have a little picnic in the park if you're not making it to the beach this year. These are really, really great and I love the design. Can you see all the detail? And my favourite part is the fringing here. It's really, really thick, luxurious, feels a lot more expensive than the €15 that I spent on it. The normal round beach towels were about €10, kind of 10, €12 in Primark. And this one obviously a couple of euro more because it is Aladdin themed. You've got the kind of like the lamp in the centre there, you can see. I'm not going to open it up right now because I don't know when I'll be bringing this. I'll probably bring this on my next holiday, so I'm going to leave it like this at the moment and then it'll be nice and easy to wrap up. Yeah, as I said, €15. You've got the gorgeous colours of all the, look how pretty it is. You've got the lamp there as well. Really, really cute. I love all the detail on this, and it, as I said, it definitely feels more expensive than the €15 I spent on it. It feels really heavy. Maybe not the best purchase for me to put in my case because my case is going to weigh so much then, but I couldn't leave it behind when I saw it. I'm obsessed with all the Disney and Aladdin stuff in Primark at the moment. They have so much in, from coasters to beach towels to like the genie lamp. Absolutely love them. Okay, so the next item, I picked up a couple of tops. So the first one here is like a bodysuit. They were both €6. So this one's kind of like this orangey colour. It's got these kind of like ribbon tie at the top of the arm, so really, really cute. A nice colour for summer. I love the ribbed effect as well. I love ribbed tops. I just think they're really nice. And then of course you've got the kind of little butt fastening down here because it is a bodysuit. As I said, I picked this up in a size 8, and normally for bodysuits I'd go like a size larger because my body's quite long, but actually the 8 is the perfect fit. It's nice and stretchy, and for €6 I just couldn't leave it behind. Absolutely love that. This is another kind of like basic tee. It's a little crop top in this cream colour, and you've got the 3 little buttons. They don't actually open, but they're just for show, I suppose. This was €6 as well, and I got this one in a size 10. Oh, you can't see the arm there. So little cropped top, little crop sleeves, and I got this in a size 10 because I like the crop tops to come down kind of like a little bit lower sometimes, because with pennies sometimes the fit can be quite small, particularly when it comes to crop tops. So if you like it a bit longer on your belly, then go for like a size up and it'll be perfect. So for €6, I love my 2 tops. And what else did I get? Oh, I got these. As you can see, I like my hoops, and I'm always like, oh, I've never any rose gold jewellery. I always end up borrowing my mom's rose gold jewellery, and I saw these hoops and they kind of have this, like, what would you say, they're not just like a plain ring hoop, they have like kind of like lines going down it, you could say. I don't even know what way I would describe that. Anyway, they were only $1.50, so really great price there from Primark. $1.50. Love them, love rose gold. Anything rose gold I'm obsessed with, so I'm so glad I picked them up. Then the next item, I have 2 Disney things left to show you. I will show you the first one, which I actually picked up at the till. How adorable is she? It's Maddie. She is so cute. I cannot, like, every time I go in with the stationery, I cannot leave it behind, because Primark, they're just killing it with the stationery, from Pusheen to Disney to like Girl Boss sort of stuff. Absolutely love it. And when I saw this pen for $2.50, I had to get it because she's so cute, little bobblehead, and then you've got the pink little fluff as well on there. How cute is she? Ah! Sorry, I got very excited when it comes to Disney stuff, and so absolutely love her. So moving on to the next item, this fabulous Disney t-shirt. Look, it says Snow White, Snow White, Snow White, and you've got the apples there instead of the O, of course, and the apples are kind of like this little kind of felt material, so a little bit 3D as well. I just thought this was so cute. I got this in a size 6. It was €8. As you can see, it is quite a large size 6, I would say. So I wanted it to be quite tight, so I thought that's why I got it in the 6. It's a little bit oversized. As you can see, you've quite a lot of material down here as well. I thought this is really cute. I can't wait to wear this. Maybe pair it with a pair of black jeans or black shorts, denim skirt, who knows. It's fabulous. Snow White is definitely one of my favourite Disney princesses. So when I saw it, I had to pick it up. And moving on to the next item, I got another top, and this is kind of like a little, what would you call it, boob tube, bralette, crop top, and it has gorgeous colours. You've got this kind of like frill detail on the top, on the bottom. I think this is only like €3 or something. Yeah, it was €3, so when I saw it, I had to get it. I love the colours. They're just so summery. You've got the 2 colour blues, you've got the yellow, the red, and the pink, and I cannot wait to pair this with maybe a pair of denim jeans or denim shorts for summer for €3. I got it in a size 12, and because it was quite small looking fit when I seen it on the hanger, so I thought 12 would be nice and stretchy, and for holidays you want something that's really comfortable as well. And I probably won't get to wear it in Ireland because Ireland's so cold, so definitely will be for holidays. I love that, and for $3.50, a bargain. Another item which is actually really fun. Look at this. It's a pineapple bag. I'm obsessed with anything pineapple, love it. And this was reduced from €10 down to, wait for it, €3. Can you believe it? €3 for this. Look at all the detail. You've got the kind of like the embroidery all along here to give the pineapple effect. You've got the embroidery up here as well, really cute. And then you've got the gold chain as well, so it's kind of like a crossbody bag. This is the way I would wear it, and I'll definitely be rocking this on my summer vacation this year because it's such a holiday bag, so much fun, and for €3 I couldn't leave it behind. And the last item in my haul, and I said the first item was my favourite, but I really do love this one as well. It is a unicorn inflatable cup holder. This was only $1.50. I'm going to open it up and see what it's like. It says inflatable cup holder Pegasus, aka the unicorn. So I thought this would be perfect when you're chilling by the pool, and you can pop your little drink in here. And just because it's so sweet, I had to get, look at this guy. Ah, he's so cute. So you've got the gold little unicorn horn there, you've got the turquoise green mane, you've got the little turquoise tail, and then you inflate it here and you blow it up and your little drink goes in there. Look, it's so cute. I won't try blow it up now, but I know that I'll get seriously out of breath and I will end up not being able to blow it. Will I try it? I'm gonna try it. Oh my god, that went up surprisingly easily. I thought I would literally be out of breath and not be able to blow it up. I'm gonna give it another go. And I got lipstick on. I'm sorry, Pegasus. Has to be done. Look, guys. Oh my god. Look at it. Oh my god, I'm obsessed. I need another few in my life. I want to have like a little unicorn inflatable family. How cute is this? And some of the other ones, obviously you can get the larger inflatable ones as well, but they can take up a lot of room in your case. So this guy will be perfect. He's not going to take up too much room. So you may be seeing some summer snaps with all this fun stuff that I picked up in Primark. I think I did pretty well for 10 minutes. I picked up all that stuff. Some of it was at the till, the rest of it was along the way, as you guys seen. And I really hoped you liked this Primark 10-minute dash / talk through haul. If you have, then please do let me know by giving me a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. If you're new to the channel, please do hit that subscribe button so that I know that you like this video, and I'll keep making more fabulous videos like this. And I'll see you again real soon, guys. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.